To install the tailgate window sill, as you can see the structure of the window sill. There is a rubber side, there is a fabric side. So fabric side should be inner side, rubber outer side. And two intermediate here. So we put this at the bottom of the gate opening. So if you look at this, you have one. So the steel part will get into here, and there's another opening. And for here you can see this is a steel size, and the fabric side will cover this trim. And all around here, so you can see the steel side will cover this, and the other lip will cover this trim. So we start from the bottom and then up to have this installed. Start at the bottom, and the fabric part should be under this boot seal cover. So it's under here, and you can see here just the opening, a round opening just to cover this fabric lip. So you can see it should be under this boot door cover and this side. So then all around just push them in, and here the lip, this lip you can see should be cover that inner trim. I'm going to do this later on. So it should be all around here, and check all around seated very well the window sill. So this is how to install the window sill at the boot opening of a Touring E46 BMW.